Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2015 Porsche Cayenne. First of all, we go to settings and we make sure Bluetooth is on. And then we're watching out at the bottom. But over to the audio system, click on phone. There's nothing connected, so we find telephone. We're watching here. Usually, I'm not sure whether this one actually comes up with a chassis number, but it comes up as PCM normally. But it's looking for it. It's looking for my phone. PCM at the bottom there. So, and Barry's iPhone. So it's come up with PCM there, Barry's iPhone on the screen. We'll click on Barry's iPhone. Please confirm Bluetooth code 908471. That's the code there, so we click pair. Registration successful. Allow contacts and favorites to sync. Allow. And there we go, PCM connected.